Quick update on SOFI. I haven't done an update in a while. Reason being is because we are basically we're just chopping back and forth with the overall market. And like I said in the last video, as this was a fifth wave right here, our best bet is that we get an extension, which means that this would be another 5 waves. This would be wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. We would actually have a chance to go higher than 22 bucks, or it could be a diagonal. It could just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. You get to 22 bucks. So the reason I haven't done a video is because we're in that second wave, in my opinion. So if this is overall wave 3, this is overall wave 4, this would be 1 of 5 of the fifth wave. So we're looking for 2 of 5. And we have not filled those gaps yet. We have 2 gaps below. We have a gap at 1487 and 1409. Will those fill? I think there's a very good chance. And the reason why is I think that Tesla has a very good chance of going lower too. And the structure of what we see right here, this looks like it is a 5-wave move down right here. And so we are just chopping sideways, or you could say bear flagging right here. I was hoping that we could go up here to 1783 and fill this gap first. And that's still possible. Who knows what it's going to do the next couple of days. Tomorrow we probably won't get anything substantial. I was hoping it could come up here and then come down. But I'm almost certain that we're going to get another move down here. So if we come up here, it's really, if you're trading this, you want to be selling between 1745 and 1843. And then obviously if it comes down here to 1490 to 1360, you want to be buying there. And that's pretty much all there is to it, and that's the reason I haven't made a video, because we're in no man's land right now. We're just chopping between these two supply and demand zones. But overall, we're looking for that second of 5 waves. A lot of times it will retrace to the 0.78 fib, which is at 1452. And we do have a gap below that, though, at 1409. So I would probably put some stink orders down there around 1410, 1450, and 1490 in this range. It's going to be an excellent place to buy, because you're almost certainly going to get a bounce out of there at the minimum. Let's say it ended up breaking this low here, and I'm wrong. You would still get a bounce out of there, and you could still make good money. And then up here, you'd be like, okay, it's probably going to go down. I'm selling here. Or you catch it down here, and you sell up in this box. You made, what, like 25, 30%. So I think it's probably in a second wave, and we're going to end up getting a move higher after this, because we still never hit this weekly supply zone up here. We never hit our $22 target. So I'm still thinking that that is the most likely scenario, and I'm expecting the overall market to sell off. So putting that all together, bear flag here, market's going to sell off, gaps below. Most likely we're coming down in this area. So back to 14 bucks is not certain, but it's very likely. So after that, I would be holding, because we're probably going to go to new highs, and we're probably going to go to at least 1950. So that's really all there is to say about this. I could go over the overall chart one more time, but I think if you watched the videos before, you already know what I'm going to say. Basically, this was 5 waves. You can see it on the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just saying that we are going to get an extension of this 5th wave, and it's actually going to be 9 waves. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Buy in the 14s, sell in this box. And if you buy there, that's like a 50% gain, if I'm right. Again, the invalidation level is below 1363. So that's it for this video. I would just expect chop sideways and then a big move down, and then that's where you want to buy, and then look for a big move higher after that. But we'll talk about it every couple of days, and we'll see how it goes and see if this is still valid into next week, which I expect it to be. But that's it for now. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I will catch you here soon.